Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW X5 hood emblem. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a clean microfiber cloth, and some painter's tape. It's also crucial to have your new emblem ready. Make sure it's the correct part for your specific BMW X5 model to ensure a perfect fit and a smooth installation process. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Start by carefully applying painter's tape around the emblem's edges to protect your paintwork from scratches. Then, using your plastic trim tool, gently pry up the old emblem. Work slowly and evenly to avoid damaging the hood. Once removed, thoroughly clean the area where the emblem was mounted to ensure a clean surface for the new one. With the area clean, it's time to install your new emblem. Carefully align the two pins on the back of the new emblem with the corresponding holes in your BMW X5's hood. Once aligned, press down firmly and evenly on the emblem until you feel it click securely into place. Ensure it sits completely flush with the hood surface for a professional finish. Finally, perform a quick check to ensure your new emblem is firmly attached and doesn't wobble. Carefully remove any painter's tape you applied earlier. Give the new emblem and the surrounding hood area a final wipe down with your microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Now, step back and admire the refreshed look of your BMW X5.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.